Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that, in this page of app info, you click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. And if it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.